Good morning. This is for all of my level 2 and up students. I know you guys are already up doing your digital learning at 7:46 in the morning like me, but actually I've been up for a while. So you may hear a couple things in the background. Sometimes my dogs act crazy and they start barking at anything when the wind blows, but you may hear me discipline them during this video. However, one thing that we're going to do for level 2 students and up, we're going to go on to a course called Moviola. So let me kind of give you the instructions for that. You can kind of hear the pitter patter of their feet. But so what I want you guys to do is go into your Google Classroom like this, and you would click on your Google Classroom. So I'm going to go into Evans, for example. And you are going to see a post that says, Nicole Oliver 1 posted a new assignment, Moviola course sign up due by Friday. So I need everyone to do this by Friday. So you want to click on this, and it gives you specific instructions. If you look under instructions, it says by Friday, all level 2 and up students need to sign up at www.moviola, that's MOVIOLA.com. Okay, so what I want you to do is go to that website, and I want you to sign up using an email that you want to use. It does not have to be a Douglas County School System email, because you may need to verify or confirm the account. I'm really not sure, but use your personal email address for that. So you want to click on sign up. I don't recommend sign up with Facebook. You can do it. However, you would have to go in and see, remember which email your Facebook is linked to. But, you know, that's only for old people. Facebook is for old people, like myself. So you want to go in and you want to type in your email, a password. Let me know when. You can check on that if you want. Verify that you're not a robot and register. Okay? Then what you'll need to do is go back into Google Classroom, and I want you to make a comment on this and tell me what email you used to sign up for the course. Now, if you need specific instructions that tell you how to do it, here's a link to the video that Moviola provided, and it will guide you through exactly what you need to do. Okay, so we're going to start learning a little bit about 3D animation, green screen kind of thing. So I just kind of want to give you guys a little more advanced learning experience rather than giving you PowerPoints and notes. This can be something that you work through, and I'll give you specific dates for things to be due. But this will be a lot better than doing the things that level 1 students are doing. So I'm going to stop this video, but just make sure you go in there and you sign up for Moviola, and then you comment. It says, let me know you've signed up, and giving me the email address that you signed up with. So you can make a comment, you can submit an assignment, whatever you need to do that, and I will base your grades for the next week or so, or maybe longer, depending on where we're at, on your progress and completion in this course. I hope you guys have a good day. Remember, today you have a quiz due in Google Classroom, and you also have a project on Friday. We will not start the Moviola coursework until Monday. I need to make sure that I give everybody time to sign up for it, and we're all set up. I promise you guys it'll be a lot better than PowerPoints. Have a good day.